this video, I'm going to talk about the second example of finding the angle using an inverse trigonometric function. And we talked about an inverse trigonometric function in the last video, and it is if we divide some trigonometric functions, which is sine, tangent, or cosine in front of data, it will give us the negative trig function of the number. This was the inverse trig functions. And today this is a second example of it. And let's see. I'll call this angle data. And let's see, it is opposite and the adjacent side. So if you remember our trigonometric functions, sine, tangent, or cosine, the opposite over adjacent is equal to tangent. So that's why we use tangent. We apply tangent in this right triangle, finding this angle ABC. So let's do it. So the tangent of the data angle, we don't know the data, it can be the variable, and it is equal to the opposite side, which is 5, over the adjacent side, which is 6, right over here. And if we divide tangent to the both sides, and in the left side, the tangent we're gonna cancel out, and only the data will gonna live in the left side, and it will gonna be equal to, we talked about this in the first step, that if you divide tangent, it's going to be negative sine of trigonometric function, which is the inverse trigonometric function, negative trig function, which will gonna be right over here, minus tangent of the value 5 over 6. This value over here, 5 over 6. And the tangent of 5 over 6, I already calculated this expression right over here. You're gonna be the minus tangent of 5 over 6 is equal to, I already calculated, minus tangent of 5 over 6 equal to 39.80557. This is on and on and on. So let me copy and paste this expression in this page. Okay, and it will gonna be equal to, if we it is an infinite number, so if we let's round the nearest hundredths place, and it will gonna give us is approximately, we need to write approximate sign, approximately equal to 39.81. So 39.81. And this was our answer. And we use the inverse function to apply this, to apply the equations for this right triangle in order to solve for this angle. And this was tangent, and we used the inverse trigonometric function, and the answer was 39.81. So I'll write this down. The angle, this is an angle sine B, or ABC, is approximately 39.81. And we're done.